Hey, oh my gosh, welcome to my Maine Gardens. My name's Deb, and I just want to thank you for being here. I'm sitting in my Maine garden here in beautiful Maine on a gorgeous July evening, and I just want to say hello and let you know sort of what this site, this channel is all about. I um, I love my gardens. I'm obsessed with my gardens. It's kind of a problem sometimes, and I just want to just meet you and share with you some of the experience I've learned in my gardens. My husband and I bought a new house just about 5 years ago, and there was zero landscape, nothing. So every single blade of grass, every single tree, every single plant we have put in here, and I have a ton of beds and gardens, and I don't even know how many perennials and trees. I have learned a lot from the plants. They have taught me many things about what they like, what they don't like, how they like to be taken care of, how to survive a long Maine winter, and then thrive again in the spring and the summer. So I just want to share some of those lessons with you and hopefully learn from you and just show you some of the projects that I'm undertaking and how I do things. A lot of people I know ask me, how do you edge that bed? And how did you put that bed in? And why did you choose that plant? So we're going to talk about all of that. And I'm going to take you on some field trips. We're going to go visit some of my favorite Maine gardens. And when I think of Maine gardens, I certainly think about botanical gardens and rose gardens. And there's a lavender farm. You're going to love it. We're going to go explore some of these places. But I also think about the ocean as a garden, and agriculture, aquaculture, fishing, farming. There's so much happening in Maine that is just so fun to explore, and I'm excited to start this channel because it actually selfishly it motivates me to go out and explore some of these places and meet some really cool people doing some exciting things in Maine with their gardens. So join me, let's have some fun. I don't know where this is going to go. It's just like planting a seed in a bed. You just don't know what's going to grow, and with your help, we'll make something really cool blossom, hopefully. So thanks for being here. We are on Facebook and Instagram, My Maine Gardens, so please like those, and I want to hear from you and learn from you as well. So let's have some fun with this. Thanks for being here. See you soon.